It's like a demo day today.
We're going to be trying SmileDirectClub today. We are excited. I've always wanted to try it.
Face, right? It's my excited face.
In my past, I had my teeth straightened, but things move. So I was so excited to do this.
Everything moves.
I'm going to guide Katya through this. First, what I want you to do is put your liner inside your mouth and make sure that your line. I feel like you're like a gynecologist.
I feel like one too. Gloves make me feel smart.
It made me feel like I need
some glasses too, I think. Okay, go ahead.
First, put the liner inside your mouth and make sure it fits. Most of them will fit. If for any reason they don't, you just contact them. Okay, so that's good. You fit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take these two putties and you're going to mix them together.
Roll it like a sausage. Roll it like a sausage. You know,
You might want to have paper towel around.
Is this for
Okay. Can I get it in there all the way to the back?
Is it a bit fat? Okay.
Okay. Now you're going to press it up evenly. Okay, good. Now you're going to take your lip and just pull it over. And I'm going to start the timer. And we're going to go in there for 2.5 minutes. Perfect. Let's pull it out. Let me see your impressions. Those are very good. And in the book, you can see what is a good impression and what's not a good impression. This is a great impression I can see because I can see her gums. I can see each tooth. There's no moving. There's no double. Okay. So that's her one impression. And then,
so are you just trying to be nice to me or did I nail it?
You nailed it.
Whew, Kat, way to go, babe.
Let's see. Okay, I'm taking them out quickly. Taking out my two putties, gray and purple. I'm mixing them together. Okay, ready?
Well, I have to say, I'm dying. Don't spit. Don't spit. So you're going to do 4 impressions, 2 upper, 2 lower. You can... No, you just... Just watch this. There you go. As a mom, that's what moms do. You know what I mean? I'm not going to do paper towel on you. Crazy? That shit's expensive, Natalie. Okay, good. There's a shortage. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you can just wipe your own spit. You know what I mean? You should see the things that go on in your body. Oh, dear. Oh, okay, not on my counter. Okay, fine, you get one. I'm going to have to, wipe down the counter after this.
I did great.
Did you nail it?
I nailed it.
Wow.
Nailed it.
Well, make sure we don't mix up the, you know what I mean?
Like
you do, ew.
With the bottom.
I just gotta get close up.
Oh no. Gosh, SmileDirectClub is more exciting.
Who knew it was more fun than you could ever have? You know what I mean? That's good time. Whoa.
Obviously, we're going to send in our aligners and we're going to keep you posted. We're going to show you all the stuff and we're going to take you on our journey, you know? That's what we do here.